So this is Mike's awesome trailer. On bags, of course. And my lens will stop fogging up. Yeah.
Wow.
What's up, dude?
So
We do have the same shirt on. I actually didn't think about that. Okay, so Mike and I wore the same shirt today, but we're off on an awesome adventure.
Right.
What are we doing, Mike?
We're going to get 85 square that I bought from a buddy of mine.
What are we gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it?
So we're building the 85 with the GSI chassis, and then we needed something to do with the chassis and everything and the motor that's under the 85 now, since all that's getting replaced. So I bought it from my buddy and then bought this truck, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the chassis, put it under the new truck I just got, and then we're gonna put, you know, custom seat in it, new dash, and all that other happy stuff, and then, you know, kick-ass radio.
Yeah.
You know.
The cool thing about it is the chassis you're pulling out from under the black truck that's going on the GSI chassis. That chassis, it's already got an LS drivetrain in it. It's already been cleaned up. It's got a good set of wheels and tires on it that's built at specialty speedways, 20s in front, 22s in the rear. Good exhaust system, so you got like a killer foundation to put, you know, a cool body on. So you finally found one. We've been scouring the earth, and you found one from one of your buddies.
Yeah, we've been looking for a while, and my friend actually had one, and I knew he had it, but I didn't think he'd actually sell it. And I was just over there, I was like, "Hey man, you should sell this to me." And he's like, "Okay." So then I was like, "Oh wow."
Well, that worked out. So why don't we load up? We're actually here getting your awesome trailer. This thing is bagged, so we're going to show you guys a little bit about how this works when we get there. But let's head to Alabama and get this truck.
Let's go.
All right. Dude, this truck. Hey, look at me. Tina, for real.
It's premium.
Maybe some of the best square body patina I've seen in a long time, like Pecos material. And you don't even have to buff that.
Now you're being ambitious.
No, let's just, we're gonna pressure wash it off and roll, right?
Let's do it. So yeah, this is the 85. I bought it from my buddy. The story was, he worked with this gentleman, and the gentleman ended up getting cancer and sold the truck to his boss, and then they just set the truck outside out back of work, and it sat there for a number of years, and then my buddy purchased it, and then it sat here for a number of years. So, but
it's been developing this killer patina sitting right here. So man, we're gonna take this thing to a car wash and power wash it off and show you a little bit better about the paint. But it's that cool dark navy. Got the 84, 87 front end, 85, 87. We're having some debate about that, but either way, it's cool, man. Slope nose, got some really cool patina. Not all beat up. Even the bed's in good shape. But just got some of the best patina I've seen on a square body in a long time. And you can see it running right there. You got all the sun-kissed stuff on the hood and the top of the truck. You got what I think is some of my favorite type of patina, where you got the runs, the surface rush runs down here along the bedside. Mike, this thing is freaking cool, man. So cool. What's going on in the interior? Not a lot. Oh shoot, they've already just started peeling it off. You're good.
yeah, he was starting to work on it. He was gonna bag it, so that's why it's got a 6-lug front.
Yeah.
It's because he had some 6-lug old school billet wheels he was putting on it, so he's gonna convert the truck to 6-lug. So that's why it's got 6 lugs.
Well, he already started tearing it apart for you, man. He saved you some time.
Word.
But I like that it's custom deluxe roll down windows. You know, this reminds me actually a lot of the
banana milkshake.
A lot of the Blazer.
I don't know what this is.
Yeah, it's a custom deluxe front end where you got the larger headlight up top, smaller on the bottom.
Tilt column.
We're gonna get with AMD and get some bumpers and other sheet metal needs that Mike may have for this thing. Just make it cool. Hey, let's get this thing loaded up and go to the car wash. Oh, you want to show me under the hood?
Oh yeah, dude, you ready for this?
Hold on, no I'm not. Now I am. Go. Oh, I'm telling you, did all the work for us.
Yeah. It was an AC truck, obviously.
Yeah, but still got factory markings on the firewall, original paint on the firewall. No crazy rust, it doesn't look like. Dude, you scored on this, Mike. We got some wham rods we can put on this thing if you want to.
We do?
Yeah, at the shop. Dude, I'm stoked. Let's load this thing up and get it out of here.
Stop yelling.
I'm not yelling, Mike. Alright. I can't see the truck over here. This freaking trailer he's got is sick. Bagged, little tilt action. Just pretty dang cool. This is how I'm looking at Mike through the... Just look at it.
Film in the back of my head.
I'm filming the back of my shirt and you getting in the truck. Are we balanced well on that trailer there, Mikey?
We'll find out.
Hey, you should be fine. Why you got two phones?
Work.
It's like a rap video.
Like a rap video. Okay, so we made a pit stop out in Alabama for Mike to look at some galaxies for a customer, maybe for a future customer project. But while we were here, we found this awesome thing we want to show you. So hang on. So check this out. Dang England sign. From like a pool hall. And check this out. It's been sitting out here in this garage. Lights right up. How cool is that? I think we're gonna try to take this thing home. Hey Mike, you gonna make a deal on this light?
Yeah, we already did.
We already deal done. So this is coming home with us. Yeah. Dude, that light is awesome.
I'll sell it to you.
Now, dog, this is a joint partnership.
It's going in the shop.
Sometimes you benefit from me, sometimes I benefit from you. And it's just great, man.
Alright, are we having Dan leave to get
I guess.
us out of here?
I got great directions out of here. I wish I could just do that, but it sounds like he wants us to follow him. Yeah, we gotta get something to eat. I gotta get home.
I figured as much. Where's he at? Sure.
Robbie wants Popeyes.
I do not want Popeyes, but if y'all want Popeyes, I will eat Popeyes.
You might start going there.
Hey, so while we're following him, and I don't have to think about driving, what do you think about this truck on the trailer, man? It's okay.
Yeah.
No.
I think we need to run it down to a car wash. But
Well, we're definitely gonna do that. We can do that. What's your favorite thing about it?
And just size.
It's four-wheel drive. Man, the questions don't work for Mike. Mike how?
Six lug front swap.
Well, my favorite part is the patina. It looks awesome.
No, it does. It looks good. I think it's going to be pretty sweet.
I think it's gonna be real sweet.
Mike, you gotta talk louder.
Oh, he's good. It's fine. People expect Mike to like.
Humble.
You have to do this.
You know what you need is a mic to clip on now.
No, I can't read.
These roads are ridiculous.
I can't believe you think these are bad.
Yeah, I don't like this
Blows my
situation.
mind.
What are you doing, Mike?
Trying to get this to work. It's not working.
Man. So we're not gonna be able to wash this thing?
Is this fake?
No, man, it's just fresh. We're trying to wash this. I think we might be able to. But money first. Why are we having to try so hard to get this thing washed?
Because it's dirty AF.
Oh. Anna's going to get some change.
Look at the pinstripe on this dude.
Yeah, isn't it awesome? We should paint that
The
back.
mirrors on this dude.
Yeah.
What is this on this dude?
Got a little funk on it.
It's some putty.
Oh yeah, I saw some down at the bottom too. Bottom again on the inside. But that beautiful Tina. Oh!
So I should have got one. Alright, we have $3 worth.
There we go. Cleaned it.
I blew off all the goo.
Looks good, man. Looks real good.
Got a little K5 hood action going.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it does have a little something, doesn't it? That's alright. Fix that. Windows are looking good and clear. Man. That patina is so good. Man, look at that. So good. Alright. You want to get it out in the sun, take it to the shop. Do that. Do it.